Hi there, it's me, Frasat Ali, the founder and CEO of CyberMaxCode. I am again here to announce about a new update of CyberMaxCode. Yes, as we know that CyberMaxCode has launched the second product in the market. What is that product and what is features of that product? Now we are going to discuss about it. As we know that this is the website of our software development company, the cybermaxcode.com. You can visit the services portion to know that what services that we are offering, and the product portion, what product we have launched. As you know that this was the first product that we launched in last week, and we are going to launch our second product, the StackMax. Yes, what is StackMax? StackMax is a hyper casual game, and it helps the users to increase their focus and helps to fresh their minds. And it is freely available on Play Store, and everyone can easily download it from Play Store and can enjoy this game. And this is the Play Store link. It is also available in the caption of this post. You can also access there, or you can also directly search from the Play Store by its name, the StackMax, right? And you can easily download it. And as you can see, it's screenshots and it's a promo video on the screen. So if you think you are a pro gamer, then we challenge you. You just have to be complete 100 score in this game, and if you completed the 100 score, you can upload that post and proof of 100 score on the social media and can mention us, and we will give you the cash prize to complete this challenge, right? And I hope you will like it. So come on, let's do it. Just click the link and get the game and download this game and enjoy this game and give me the honest reviews about this game. Thank you so much.